Good morning, everyone. So, good morning, one and all present here in the virtual class. And today, on 20th of April 2021, we are going to complete our chapter. This will be our fourth lecture to complete this chapter. So, fourth day for completion of this chapter, that is on equality. On equality means every person in a country should have equal rights. No doubt, our constitution has ensured the equality in the perspective of political equality. Like every person is having universal adult franchisee. Political equality is there. हमारे इंडिया में डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट में पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी इज देयर. But on the other side, still there are religious inequalities, caste inequalities, and you can say economic inequalities are still persisting. They are still existing. We have done the examples also, like Kanta, she was a domestic worker, faces the economic inequality. Second is Om Prakash Valmiki, as because of the Dalit community, he was also being discriminated in the schools by the headmaster and by the school friends. Third inequality we have done, that is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who were not allowed to take the apartment on the rent, in spite they were having a sufficient amount to pay the rent, but still they were neglected, they were discriminated, and their self-respect and self-dignity was being violated. As in the previous class, I shared one assignment with you that was a 1 mark assignment, and you have to complete that assignment by your own way. We are not going to discuss give you answers for the same, but the meaning, I hope it was clear to everyone. If any doubts, we will discuss it later. But now next prominent point was हमारा जो रह गया था वो मैं आज खत्म करना चाहूंगी, so that we can finish this chapter. And today I will share one assignment with you that will be comprising the big long questions, and you have to write all the answers in your own way. Like last class में मैंने आपको करवाया था features of constitution. That 5 features I had given it in the written form. I hope you have written that in your notebooks. So whatever I am explaining, you have to note down, so that when you will be going to write your answer, you will be having sufficient amount of content with you, so that you can write your answer in a very easy or very frequent way. Is it okay? So now next concept, like constitutional measurement which are being taken, equality in Indian democracy. हमने ये concept start किया हुआ था. Equality in Indian कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, लाइक हमारे भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने इक्वालिटी को इंश्योर करने के लिए कुछ स्कीम्स चलाई, गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम स्कीम्स चलाई, which we have already discussed with you, that I had already discussed with you, that was midday meal services. The services which was being started by first time in 2001 by which state? That was Tamil Nadu. That was a Tamil Nadu. And later on, Chief Justice of India, he has declared within the 6 months, the other states should also go with the process of providing midday meal services. Midday meal services provide करने से फायदा क्या होगा? That the children of from the poor family, they will be getting the food stuff and nutrient value for making their health in a proper way. Second, the mothers who were giving them food, they were also not being engaged to provide food at the afternoon before completing their work, and they are not supposed to take half day or any other way from their work. Third thing, the children who move from the school to take the meal, they were not returning back to the school for attending the classes. So that difficulty was being resolved. So due to this, government programs play important role in increasing the equality among the people and creating equal opportunities. Is the point is clear? Indian Constitution or government programs provide the opportunities to the people to have equality. There is still need, further बहुत सारी जरूरतें हैं that every person should be treated equally. Like in our country, number of people are being discriminated. ये इस तरह के जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं, मिड डे मील सर्विसेज, पॉइंट क्लियर है ये वाला मिड डे मील सर्विसेज का? इसका मेन फोकस क्या था कि पुअर बच्चों को एक तो हेल्दी फूड मिले, दूसरा पुअर बच्चे घर पे जाके अपने मदर्स को इन बिटवीन उनके वर्क में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ना करें, और तीसरा स्कूल अटेंडेंस जो है वो इंक्रीज हो, चौथा वो अपनी एजुकेशन के प्रोसेस को, ताकि फर्दर वो ज्यादा गरीब ना रहे, अपनी एजुकेशन को वो अच्छी तरह से कंटिन्यू कर सके. सो ऑल दीज वर द बेनिफिट्स व्हिच इंश्योर्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग मिड डे मील सर्विसेज. कोई डाउट किसी को? If anyone is having doubt, please raise your hand. If it is clear, please give thumbs up so that I can continue with the further proceedings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, hurry up. Is it clear to everyone? I think they are not listening. So I am going to next concept, that is issue of equality in other democracies. अब other democracies like सिर्फ हमारे भारत की डेमोक्रेसी में ही inequality exist नहीं होती है, other countries में भी inequality जो है वो exist होती है. Like we are wondering that India is a democratic country in which inequalities are there, but still there is प्रॉब्लम इन अदर कंट्रीज लाइक अमेरिका. अगर हम अमेरिका की बात करें तो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, इन विच नेटिव ऑफ अफ्रीकन वर आल्सो लिविंग एंड दे वर बीइंग डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड. डिस्क्रिमिनेट का मतलब क्या होता है? भेदभाव होना. डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड का मतलब क्या होता है? भेदभाव होना. एंड निग्लेक्टेड. सो इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, the native of African people who were brought there from Africa, and now the generation of African people was start living in America, they were being discriminated and they were being neglected. Other protocol was like in African Americans were treated extremely unequal. They were treated, African American were treated extremely untreated properly, as they were not allowed to take the seats in the bus stand. बस के अंदर वो सीट पर if they are sitting, they are supposed to stand. If the white settler come and there is no vacant seat in the bus, they have to stand. There were they have to sit at the back. So this kind of discrimination was still there in America. So there was one incident which took place on 1st December 1955. Note down this date. 1st December 1955 अमेरिका में एक इंसिडेंट हुआ. There was a lady belongs to the African American, यानी कि अफ्रीका के ब्रॉड था और वो अमेरिका में रहते थे. She was the lady that tired from the long working hours and traveling in a bus. When she was sitting, the white community people entered in the bus. One person entered in the bus and he said to vacate that seat, but she refused to get or leave the seat. This led to agitation. अब यहाँ पर agitation word जो है, what does it means? Agitation. If you can see page number 12, last paragraph, second last line, that is given a word agitation. Agitation means विद्रोह करना, किसी का मतलब आगे से सामना करने की हिम्मत होना. ठीक है. So Rosa Parks was a lady who was tired from the long working hours of a day. When she was traveling in a bus, she was sitting in a seat, and when white person came there and want to ask her to vacate the seat, she refused. On which day? The day was 1st December 1955. On that day begins the agitations were start and the against the American people as they were treating the African American people unequally, and then this agitation further considered to become as a law or act bana that was known as Civil Rights Movement Act 1964. So Rosa Parks, she was treated unequally, but she refused, she agitated, and due to her courage, now African American agitate, and in 1964, an act was being passed that was known as a Civil Rights Movement. So Civil Rights Act was 1964 was based on the prohibition होता रोक लगाना, prohibited discrimination on the basis of region, religion and nation union. So it was बिल्कुल मतलब उन्होंने जो अमेरिका में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था उस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को टोटली खत्म करने की कोशिश की, but the initiative was taken again by one lady. Is it okay? So this is what another step taken by the common people in the other democratic country to have their right or to go with getting their right. Any doubt to anyone? Please tell. Now next concept आ जाता है challenges to democracy. Last topic, challenges to democracy. अब challenge का मतलब क्या है? चुनौती. Challenge का मतलब क्या होता है? चुनौती. Means अब now चुनौती एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. Now this time COVID period, new guidelines come yesterday. So they are the challenges in front of us and we have to face it. We have to do our work with the more enthusiasm and more responsible way so that our education should not get affected. ये तो आ गया कोविड का चैलेंज. कोविड का चैलेंज है हमारे आगे. सेम इन द केस डेमोक्रेसी के आगे कौन कौन से चैलेंजेस हैं? लाइक यू पीपल लास्ट ईयर वर इन द 6th स्टैंडर्ड, तो आपके आगे चैलेंज क्या था? 6th स्टैंडर्ड के एग्जाम्स को अपियर करना और उसमें पास. आज की डेट में आपके आगे चैलेंज क्या है? 7th स्टैंडर्ड को अपियर करना यही चैलेंज है ना. सो चैलेंज डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री के लिए क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हैं वो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. दैट इज नो कंट्री कैन बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज बीइंग अ कंप्लीट डेमोक्रेटिक. कोई भी ऐसी कंट्री नहीं है जो अपने आप को ये कहला सके कि वो एक कंप्लीट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है. सेकंड, दे आर ऑलवेज कम्युनिटी एंड इंडिविजुअल ट्राइंग टू एक्सपैंड द आइडिया ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. There are always different communities. They want to try to expand and push in a greater recognition of equality and existing as well as new issue. Center of the struggle for the recognition of all persons are equal and their dignity should be maintained. In this book, we will be read about this issue of equality in the other text also, other chapter, as it is our daily life. जो डेमोक्रेसी है इट इज प्रैक्टिस इन आवर डेली लाइफ. सो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में हम इसके बारे में सारा का सारा डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ वन अनदर कंसेप्ट इज आर्टिकल 15. राइट डाउन आर्टिकल 15. आर्टिकल 15 क्या है? I am going to tell you what is article 15. Before that, Pranvi Gupta, you have a doubt. Please ask your doubt.
When you send the assignment, उसमें the question number 7, the idea of dash is based on the idea of equality. I don't know the answer.
Yes, you will get your answer within this explanation, but you have to find out the answer by your own. I will help you out. I will put more emphasis on that part. So, Article 15 क्या है? Prohibition. Prohibition मतलब रोक. On the discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, and birth of place. So, Article 15 of Indian Constitution is ensured that prohibition on the discrimination of religion, race, caste, sex, and birth of place. किसी तरह का कोई भी प्रोहिबिशन नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग इज अ स्टेट मतलब यहाँ पर अ गवर्नमेंट not discriminate against any citizen on the ground of religion. Harman, wait. On the ground of any religion, race, sex, and all that factor. The point is clear? कोई भी
Please
state,
repeat again.
तो एक सेकंड रुको. A state means a country shall on ground of, on the basis of religion, caste, sex, birth of any of them, be subject to any disability, liability and restriction or condition with regards to. अब देखो किसी भी तरह का कोई भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए. आपने हमारे स्कूल में जब हम लोग रिसेप्शन से एंटर करते हैं वहां पर एक लोहे का एंगल देखा है which is on the slanting way to move in the school premises. देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
देखा है?
ma'am.
देखा है? वो क्यों बना हुआ है?
Ma'am.
वो क्यों बना हुआ है? Because every child in between the age of 6 to 16 are having right to get education. और हमारा स्कूल जो है वो फ्लोर्स में है. 1 and 2 फ्लोर्स नए बन गए हैं न्यू बिल्डिंग में. ये हमारे जो सीनियर विंग में बन गए हैं. और जूनियर विंग में भी आपने देखा होगा तो ऊपर जाने के लिए रैंप है, स्टेयर केसेस भी है, लेकिन रैंप भी है. Why the ramp are there? This article helps that any child who is disabled. अब यहाँ पर वर्ड आया ना डिसेबल, वर्ड आया ना, यहाँ पर वर्ड देखो, disability, liability, restriction or condition with regards to. आया ये वर्ड? आया या नहीं आया? इसका मतलब क्या है? टू असेस, उस पे वो जाने के लिए किसी भी शॉप में, पब्लिक रेस्टोरेंट में, होटल्स में, प्लेसेस ऑफ पब्लिक एंटरटेनमेंट, यहाँ पर या स्कूल एजुकेशन में कोई भी बच्चा जो है इफ दे वांट टू गो फॉर एनी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन देयर on the basis of disability of their physical factor, they should not get denied to get that right. बात समझ आई कि नहीं आई? आर्टिकल 15 जो है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का वो इंश्योर करता है that every person should have access of all the facilities in spite of their religion, caste, gender and etc. Second thing, if they are physically weak, if they are physically, mentally किसी तरह की भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, then these things should be there to help them, that they should not have this kind of restriction that they cannot enter in because of their physical deficiency. तो हमारे स्कूल ने वो सारी प्रोविजंस जो है वो क्लियर की हुई है कि रैंप सिस्टम इज देयर. इफ अ चाइल्ड वांट टू कम, मे बी दे आर फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड, they can come and get the education because Constitution of India has ensured free 6 to 16 free and compulsory education in the government school. In the government school I am telling you, ठीक है, with ensuring midday meal services. This is another concept to provide equality to all the children. So Article 15 is clear that all person in spite of their disability, a liability or restriction, they have the right to get accessibility of all the public places like restaurants, like hotels and public places and public entertainment things, and use of wells, tanks, ghats, roads, public places and public resorts. They have the right to access all these things without any discrimination. Is this clear? Is these points are clear? So Article 15 is clear.
Yes.
Constitution provisions are clear. Rule of law is clear. Rule of law. What do you mean by rule of law? Everyone is under the law, no one is above the law. And as Kanta was the domestic worker, she was having a same right as Mr. Jain, his owner, employer, was having the same right. So rule of law means everyone is under the law, no one is above the law. Next point देखिए जो हमने करना है, that is glossary, page number 15. This you have to do it in your notebook. Note down. Universal adult franchise is clear to you? सबको पता है what is this? It is the important feature of a democratic government in which all the person above the age of 18 are having right to vote without discrimination on the basis of caste, culture, creed, religion and sex. कोई doubt? हो जाएगा? Second आ जाता है dignity. What do you mean by dignity? The dignity is thinking of own self and other person as worthy of respect. Means dignity means self respect and own self. अगर self respect और own self भी लिखते हो, that is right. Dignity means self respect. आंसर मिल गया आपको? आंसर उसमें मिल रहा है साथ साथ आंसर जो हमने असाइनमेंट में किए हैं, वर्कशीट में किए हैं. Then constitution. Constitution क्या है? A written document which have rules and regulations as a guideline to be followed by the government of a country or by the citizen of a country. Constitution is a written document. लिख लीजिए अगर लिखना है तो, but I will not wait for you. Constitution is a written document that have proper rules and regulations to be followed by the people of a country or by the citizen of a country or by the government of a country to run the government. Then is last point is civil right movement. It was the movement which was begun in USA in 1st December 1955 by the African American people demanded for equal right and end of racial discrimination. जो रंग के उसके भेद पर रंग के बेसिस पर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है उसको कौन सा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कहा जाता है? उसको कहा जाता है रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ठीक है बच्चे? So the discrimination which is being made on the basis of color, that is called racial discrimination. So the civil rights movement was the movement began in USA in 1st December 1955. Later on, its main aim was to demand for equal rights and to end the racial discrimination in America by African American people, and it was being introduced by Rosa Parks. ठीक है? Point clear है यहाँ पर? I think everything is clear to you. So with this chapter is going to be end, and I will send you assignment for the same. You have to complete your notebook. Tomorrow you will be having no class, I hope, and day after tomorrow you have to send me this notebook for the checking. And I will see whose notebook will be the best answer. I will share that answers in the group as a model answers. I hope every instruction is clear to you. So now, Amika, you can ask your question. First question answer was untouchability, ठीक है? And second was Om Prakash Valmiki. Third question, hurry up.
In India to introduce midday meal.
One child only, one child. Yes, Krish.
Which was the first state to introduce midday meal scheme? The
Anji,
first
which
to
state? Which state introduced midday meal services?
Nadu.
That is
Tamil
Tamil Nadu in
Tamil
2001. Fine. Next question, hurry up. Adhere
On
to the
what
time.
basis Ansaris being discriminated?
What basis were Saris being treated unequally?
Anji,
On the basis of the religion.
Ansari was being discriminated on the basis of a religion. Very nice. Next question.
Ma'am, fourth question में तो on the basis of caste आ सकता है?
नहीं बेटा, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari was being discriminated on the basis of religion. Om Prakash Valmiki was discriminated on the basis of a caste.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Next.
What are the common forms of inequality that exist in India?
Anji, which kind of a common
Economic
inequalities?
inequality.
Inequality is being practiced in India on the
हाँ जी बोलिए, आंसर बोलिए।
Basic disability, sex, and economic status.
So inequalities were on the basis of social inequality, caste inequality, religion inequality, and economic inequalities. ठीक है? And racial discrimination. Racial discrimination by the American people with the African American people. ये हमने देखा है ना? So next question.
What do you mean by dignity?
Dignity. What do you mean by dignity? That is self-respect.
Dignity means equal to oneself or other people as worthy of respect.
Ma'am,
बेटा जी रट्टा मत मारो. Only answer. Write down the answer. Dignity means saying own self
ma'am,
and
dignity.
self-respect. When it is being
Ma'am,
courted
dignity
by
mean
other group. ठीक है? So that is self-respect or dignity. Another question. Next question. Hurry up.
the idea of dash is basis on the idea of equality.
हाँ जी. Idea of dash is based on the idea of equality. What will be the answer?
The
Justice.
हाँ जी.
The idea of justice.
The idea of justice.
हाँ जी. ठीक है. Next.